Tehillim 111. Hallelujah! I will give thanks to Yahuwah with my whole heart, in the council of the upright and in the congregation. Yahuwah's works are great, pondered by all those who delight in them. His work is honor and majesty. His righteousness endures forever. He has caused his wonderful works to be remembered. Yahuwah is gracious and merciful. He has given food to those who fear him. He always remembers his covenant. He has shown his people the power of his works in giving them the hybrid of the nations. The works of his hands are truth and justice. All his precepts are sure. They are established forever and ever. They are done in truth and uprightness. He has sent redemption to his people. He has ordained his covenant forever. His name is Kadosh and awesome. The fear of Yahuwah is the beginning of wisdom. All those who do his work have a good understanding. His praise endures forever.